Understanding compatible rootstock in gardening and agriculture. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines both the beauty of nature and the intricacy of agricultural science. We're going to explore what compatible rootstock means, why it's important, and how it plays a pivotal role in gardening and agriculture. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply curious about new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unlock the mystery together. Before we delve into the specifics, let's break down the phrase compatible rootstock into two parts: compatible and rootstock. Compatible refers to two or more things that can exist or work together in harmony, without conflict or adverse effects. Rootstock, in the context of botany and agriculture, is the part of a plant, typically the root system and a portion of the stem, onto which another plant section, the scion, is grafted. Together, compatible rootstock implies a root system that can successfully support the grafted plant, ensuring healthy growth and development. Now that we understand the phrase's components, let's discuss why compatibility between the rootstock and the scion is crucial. Disease resistance. A compatible rootstock can confer resistance to certain soil-borne diseases, protecting the grafted plant. Growth control. It helps control the size of the plant, making it more manageable and suitable for various planting environments. Enhanced nutrient uptake. A well-matched rootstock can improve nutrient and water uptake, leading to healthier and more productive plants. Compatibility ensures that the graft union is strong and that both parts of the grafted plant work together seamlessly, leading to successful growth and development. Understanding compatible rootstock is not just academic. It has practical implications in gardening and agriculture. Fruit tree cultivation. Many fruit trees are grafted onto rootstocks to combine the best characteristics of different varieties. Disease management. In areas prone to specific plant diseases, using resistant rootstocks can be a key strategy in managing plant health. Urban gardening. Compatible rootstocks make it possible to grow larger fruit trees in smaller spaces, perfect for urban environments. By selecting the right rootstock, gardeners and farmers can significantly impact the health, yield, and longevity of their plants. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and importance of compatible rootstock. We hope this video has shed light on a concept that, while it may seem complex at first, is deeply rooted in the pursuit of healthier, more resilient plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting to learn about the wonders of plant cultivation, understanding the role of compatible rootstocks is a valuable piece of knowledge to carry into your gardening adventures. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.